really excited about this project that I have to work on, but I'm gonna have to prototype some of these parts to make sure that they work. Oh, luckily we have all those incredible Stratasys, FDM, and PolyJet printers that should get the job done. Let's print the bottom housing in ABS on our F370, and how about for the anti-vibration feet, let's print that on our Stratasys J55 printer in an elastomeric material, which will do a good job of simulating the end silicone material that I'm planning on this part being made in. The components that I want to prototype here go to this noise dampening box for an air compressor motor. If I go ahead and hide the box itself, you can see the actual air compressor motor. And really all I want to see is how the base of the assembly mates up with my anti-vibration feet. And you can see actually if I had one of these, that I have my threads on the base of this part. And actually if I hide that, you can see that my actual noise dampening parts do have threads that match them as well. So I just want to make sure that they fit together, and I want to see how that acts with compression of a rubber-like material, since these feet are going to be made out of a silicone. So the J55 is going to do a great job using the elastico material to simulate that rubber-like material, and using ABS for the bottom of the assembly itself will give me a really nice, solid, rigid base to test on. Wow, these parts on the J55 look incredible. Now I just need to get them over to the water jet to clean them off. Now, the F370, where our ABS part is printed. Wow, this looks incredible. Our Trimech logo looks awesome. We have our inner fillet. We're gonna have the part that mates to it on top, the cover itself. The motor goes right here. And our threading to mate up with those anti-vibration feet looks incredible with no support used at all. This is an awesome looking part. The moment of truth. Let's see how they fit together and work. Wow, they fit together perfectly, just as I drew it up. We have the lower portion of our housing. We have the compressive anti-vibration pad foot. And now all I need to do is go make and clean off 3 more to finish this design off. Wow, the F370 and the J55 really did a fantastic job. Thank you, Stratasys, for making some incredible prototyping systems. And don't forget, whenever you need to prototype parts, always think Trimech and Stratasys. Thanks for joining us.